Hi everyone. I just want to share a really cool database that I think will be helpful to you this semester as we start looking at reviewing journals and sources of reviews for the books that you're going to read for your media log assignment. So I would ask that you check this out, play around with it a little bit, because I think it will prove to be a valuable source of reviews for that assignment, and perhaps in your everyday professional life as well. So go to the University of Alberta library site here, library.ualberta.ca, click on the databases link, and then in the search box type in the words core collection and search for that, and you will see 5 hits. And you can actually click on any one of those, it doesn't matter, because we're going to end up searching for all of them, or through all of them, and then you'll be asked to log in. So do that with your CC ID and password. And then it's going to think for a minute, and basically this database is a Wilson database product. It is basically a product that lists the records for a whole bunch of different books and other resources, media, and then it will also aggregate all of the reviews for each of those items that you're searching for. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So the first thing I would ask you to do, or the first thing that will make it easier for you, is if you click on this little plus sign here, and then we're going to click on all of the different core collections boxes, and there are 5 in general, or 5 altogether, and the graphic novel one. Basically, if you search through all of them, then you're guaranteed, or you're more likely to get hits. So I'm going to start by searching for The Graveyard Book by Neil Gaiman. So I type the title of the book into the search screen, click Start, and you'll see that the very first hit is the book that I'm looking for. So I'm going to click on that. And basically what you'll see is a record for the book, gives you all of the general, or all of the regular bibliographic information. You can see that it's a most highly recommended title. It gives you subjects, so if you're interested in finding read-alikes or books with similar subjects, you can actually click on those links and it will take you to those. It tells you where it was reviewed and where it got starred reviews. And then it tells you which best lists this book was on, and so you can link to those as well. But the most important thing about this database, and the thing that I like the most, is that in addition to telling you just here which are the starred reviews, it will actually give you link to the full text of some of the reviews themselves. So you can click on any one of those. I'll start with the Horn Book one. And there it is. There is the full review from the Horn Book with the full citation of the review right there. And if you want to print it or make it available in another way, you can actually see the full text PDF. Otherwise, you can just read the review here and then cite that review in Library Thing when you're planning to enter it into your media log assignment. So I think you'll find, and I will do a separate screencast for another book just so that you have another example to draw on, but I think you'll find that using the Wilson database core collection is a really useful way of finding reviews and accessing a wide variety of reviewing sources.